Stop guessing your Java setup in 2026 because the IDE you choose can either speed up your development or slow down without you even realizing it. Modern Java development is no longer just about writing clean code. It's about how fast you can navigate large projects, refactor safely, and catch bugs before they become problems. Today's IDEs also integrate smarter tooling, giving you real-time code analysis, debugging assistance, and even AI-powered suggestions that help you write better Java with less effort. When working on enterprise applications, backend systems, or large-scale Java projects, your environment needs to stay stable, responsive, and deeply aware of your entire code base. At the same time, many developers now want flexibility, lightweight performance, and cross-language support without heavy system requirements. So before you decide, think about your workflow. Do you want a full-featured deeply integrated Java environment built for large professional projects, or a faster, more flexible editor that you can shape to your own style? Either way, right choice in 2026 is not just about popularity, it's about how smoothly it fits into the way you actually code every day. And if you enjoy this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech comparisons just like this one.